or you do it yourself, guys, thought I'd make a video on how to mount a tire to the rim, trailer rims. This is a size 14 ST20514. I already did 3 of them. This is the last one. I thought I'd just make a video to show you guys. Well, I called around and all the automotive shops said that they would charge pretty much $150 to do all 4 of them. 150. One guy quoted me 200 at the top, and I didn't think that was right. You know, I could damn near buy me new tires for that amount. So here's the video. I did it right in my garage. It's used rim. I pretty much took all the paint off of it, repainted it, all the good stuff. Got Carl Leslie tires, all 4 of them. They had a pretty good deal on Walmart for a set of 4. Load range D. Pretty much top-notch tires. I think they're made in China, but yeah, we'll give it a go. Well, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need these right here, these crowbars. If you don't have those, then I wouldn't even attempt to do this. You're gonna need soap and water. Any type of dish soap. Dilute it with water, make it more slimy, if anything, like that little slippery feeling. Put enough in there to where when you spray it on your hand, it feels slippery. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the best I can to get the footages. I got my helper here, cameraman is gonna help me. Here we go. Okay. First you're gonna do is take your water, your soapy water, and spray the outside everywhere. You're gonna spray the inside everywhere, on both sides, inside out. You getting all of this? Mm-hmm. Okay. You're gonna spray inside out. And that's pretty much all you need right there. You see how the rim, the face is facing upward, the bottom is facing there. You can tell it's a nasty rim, but it looks good. I could have did the job on that, but I didn't want to do too much time. Take this, and you're gonna put the bottom half under there first. Make sure you're getting close-ups. See how the bottom half, the bottom ring over lip first. And it is a bit of a pain to do, especially if you don't know how to do it right. Come get this angle right here. You see where this bottom moon portion is? You want to get it like that. Once you get it like that, you're going to grab your crowbar. You're going to use your knees too. So if you have bad knees, you might want to get some knee pads because you got to put all your weight on it. Okay? Stick the first crowbar on the right side, and at the same time, you might want to even spray the crowbar, and it'll slide off. It'll slide off like that, and use your knee, this portion right here, to make it slide. And you take the other one, and you do the same thing. Get it at about 2 inches away from the first one, but kind of to where it's moving itself downward. You don't want to go any further than that, or you'll be fighting it. Use your knee, bend it some. Got that first portion, and then you just follow it around. You getting this? Follow it in. Now we got most of that, and that was just 2 sections right here. Then you want to spin it to where your knee is again. And it's a lot of work, but you know what? I'm saving that 150 bucks. You do the same thing. Put your knee on it and go push that way. It's a slow process. I did all 3 of them and it took forever. You know, if you got the money to do it, then go ahead. Me, I like saving money, so. Put one of them here, and you're pretty much working that way in there. Might have to spray some more. Get the side in. Okay. Remember to spin it. You don't spin it, you're gonna be fighting this thing. You're using your knee at the same time to push down. Okay. Sometimes you might have to leave that one in there, but you want to go next to it. Pull that out. Okay. Keep spraying some more. Whew. A lot of work. Whew. Yep. I'm gonna keep working that right side. Preferably with this long, you wanna have a long crowbar. Not that short shit, or a jack crowbar. You don't want that shit. You want something preferably long. See, we're almost there. Zoom in on this little section right here. See this section? That's all I got left to do, fellas. Okay, zoom out, man. You gotta be a good cameraman. You can't be doing that. Like, they wanna see you. Okay. Okay, a little bit more section. Need a little bit more of this. And it's a fight. This is why you pay. But I don't want to. So I'm gonna fight it. Voila. So we got this section. Let me show you the other side. Okay, that took 7 minutes to do. Not bad. Okay. Now what you want to do is, now you got that section, you want to lift it up. Lift it up. We gotta get this section to get in. Once you get that, you spray the outside again. And then you take your hand, spray it in your hand like that. Take it and muster it in there on the other side. That's the cream of the crop. That's what people forget. The inside. The cream of the crop. That's what you want to do. Okay? Now, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift this side up, get that moon facing towards you. Moon face. Okay, see that moon face right here to start off with. Okay, once we got that in there, this one is a lot easier to me than the first one. Go there to the highest point, using your knee, you're pushing in. See that? Pushing it with your knee. You're gonna run out of knee, so you spin it to where your knee is. Stick it back in, bam, goes right in. Working the right side, go a few inches out where it's about to go in it on its own. Slips right in, fellas. There's no trick to this. No, you don't have to be a rocket scientist. You just gotta use a little tender loving care. TLC, muscle, grease, Goes right in. See that? Give it a few sprays again. You're working. It's going. We're getting somewhere. Whew. It is a workout though. Maybe you want to save the money and get your workout in, you know? This will do. For those guys that got bad knees, it will do a number on your knees. Because I woke up the next day with sore knees. But I woke up the next day with wheels done. Didn't have to pay. Happy. You don't have to balance trailer tires, so unless you wanted to, you could take those to the store, get them balanced then. At least you don't have to pay for mounting. Okay. We're working our way. Spinning it. Big one puts more leverage on it. Remember that knee so it can push down in there when you lift. Guess you don't have to spin it. If you got enough room, you can just work your way around it. However you want to do it. I found it better spinning. Whew. A lot of work. See, under here it wants to try to get away from me, so let's put it up under it. Okay. More leverage. Working this right side. There we go. Yeah. Getting there, fellas. From here, you could just actually push it in there. Whoa. Watch your foot. I almost lost mine right there. You see that? And that is how you mount it. How to get the bead? You're probably guessing. Let me catch my breath. About to show you right now. All right, press pause.